similar.
138 counts of aggravated murder, 312 counts of intimidation, a total of 625 charges including fraud.
You think you're the shit, bitch? Oh, you're not even the fart. Oh, I be going hard.
Turn me on.
The quadratic formula is negative b plus or minus the square root.
Have a gun. Do 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 do.
It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos.
I have a structured settlement and I need cash now. Call J.G. Wentworth.
You wouldn't know what I mean. Cause Karma is my boyfriend.
Got me fucked up. Got me fucked up. Got me.